Welcome once again to keep on learning online class. My name is Teacher Emmanuel, a teacher of geography. Today we are going to learn geography where we are basically going to talk about the internal structure of the earth. Remember that we are looking at different revision questions of every unity. Let's start by the question number 1. The core is mainly made up A. Silicates, rocks. B. Carbon and hydrogen. C. Iron and nickel. D. Magnesium and silicon. Normally, the core is made up of iron and nickel. We go to the question number 2. The boundary between the mantle and the core is called. Normally, we have two main boundaries between three main layers of internal structure of the earth, where the boundary between the between the crust and mantle is called Morovicic discontinuity, while the boundary between core and mantle is called Gutenberg discontinuity or discontinuity of Gutenberg. So here the question is asking the boundary between mantle and the core is called A. Moho, B. Asthenosphere, C. Lithosphere, D. Gutenberg discontinuity. So therefore the correct answer is D, because the Gutenberg discontinuity is a layer or a zone or a boundary between the mantle and the core. We go to the question number 3. The question number 3 is asking the earth crust is thicker beneath A. Ocean, B. Desert, C. Continents, D. River basin. So the correct answer is C, where the earth crust is thicker beneath the continents. So the correct answer is C. We go to the question number 4. The question number 4 is asking which layers of the earth is the densest. Which layer of the earth is the densest? A. Crust, B. Mantle, C. Outer core, D. Inner core. So the correct answer is D, because referring to the previous episode that we talked about the internal structure of the earth, and you have seen that the inner core is very dense, is more dense and heavy. That's why the rocks there are always in molten state. We go to the question number 5. What kind of materials make up oceanic crust? A. Granite, B. Basalt, C. Sandstone, D. Limestone. Normally, the oceanic crust is made up of basalt, while continental crust is made up of granitic rocks. Therefore, the correct answer is B. We go to the question number 6. The question number 6 is asking what is the approximate thickness of the earth's mantle? A. 5 to 10 kilometer, B. 35 to 50 kilometer, C. 2,900 kilometer, D. 1,200 kilometer. So the correct answer is C. So the approximate thickness of the earth's mantle is 2,900 kilometer. We go to the question number 7. The question number 7 is asking what is the Mohorovicic discontinuity, or otherwise it's called the Moho. As we said in the previous question, we talked about the Mohorovicic discontinuity as a boundary zone between crust and the mantle. So therefore, they give us different options. They want us to choose the correct answer. Is the boundary between the outer core and the inner core, which is wrong. Breaking in lithosphere, wrong. The boundary between crust and mantle, correct. A fault line in the earth crust, wrong. The correct answer is C. We go to the question number 8. The question number 8 is asking what happens to pressure? What happens to pressure as you go deeper into the earth? When you go deeper into the earth, what happens to pressure? It decreases, B. It stays the same, C. It increases, D. It fluctuates. The correct answer is C, where it increases. So this is the end of our session. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.